There's been a deadly attack on a policeman in MP by sand mafia goons. The policeman tried to stop them and the goons trampled the police officer. He was crushed under a tractor. The cop was killed while probing illegal sand mining. He was an ASI in MP's Shahdol. He had stopped the tractor for checking, and while he was doing it, he was crushed to death by the runaway tractor. I'm joined by my colleague Anurag for more on this story. Anurag, it is a shocking incident that comes from MP. What more do we know right now?
Yes, Shrika, assistant sub-inspector was mowed down by, a tractor carrying illegal mined sand in Shahdol district, which is like extending a pattern of such attacks on law enforcers by the sand mafia, especially in the Rewa region of Madhya Pradesh. And he tried to stop, the tractor, and also he was trying to enforce a warrant. But then the ASI was killed by the sand mafia. And, few days back, a Patwari, they also tried to kill a Patwari in Shahdol only. The ASI died at the spot, but the two police personnel ran away from there. A case has been registered against the driver and, the sand mafia there in Shahdol. One accused is also absconding. The ADGP DC Sagar has announced 30,000 rewards, for any leads of the accused.
Anurag, you are saying that these incidents are quite regular there. How regular and how often do the law enforcers get attacked by the illegal miners?
Yes, as I said, Rika, a few days back, a Patwari was also attacked in Shahdol district only, and this ASI Mahendra Bagri, along with two constables, Prasad Kanauji and Sanjay Dubey, they were there in this area of Vyauhari of Shahdol district, and when they tried to stop a tractor coming from the Samdhin river, the tractor driver Raj Rawat Kol, he just mowed down the ASI Bagri and he died at the spot. And now the police has registered a case against the driver as well as Ashutosh Singh and Surendra Singh under section 302, 379, 414 of the IPC.
And the murderer is on run.
Yes, the main accused is on the run, and the police has announced a reward of 30,000 for any leads for this the prime accused in this case.
Anurag, you are saying that these incidents are quite frequent in Shahdol. What is being really done to empower the law enforcers? Because apparently this is happening time and again, that the illegal miners are getting away by committing some crime or the other.
Yes, if you remember, Rika, a few years back, they killed a trainee IPS in Madhya Pradesh. And in this case also, though the Chief Minister a few months back announced a crackdown on the sand mafia, but we have seen a number of cases, including IPS, the revenue officials being attacked by the sand mafia, especially in Gwalior Chambal region and the Rewa region of Madhya Pradesh. As I said, in this case, ASI Mahendra Bagri, along with his colleague Gaya Prasad Kanauji and Sanjay Dubey, had gone late night to catch an absconding warranty, but then they saw a tractor driver excavating and transporting sand from Sandhin River. And when they tried to stop the driver, he mowed down the ASI, which died on the spot.
Right, shocking incident there coming in from Shahdol in MP. My colleague Anurag Tiwari reporting about an ASI being killed by an illegal sand miner. He was mowed down by a tractor, ran over. Let's listen into a reaction that's coming in at this hour.
पुलिस और प्रशासन संयुक्त रूप से अपनी ड्यूटी निष्ठापूर्वक कर रहा है और अब ये टास्क फोर्स की जो बात कही है, जिले के डिस्ट्रिक्ट मजिस्ट्रेट और पुलिस अधीक्षक और माइनिंग अधिकारी मिलकर जनता को भी जागरूक करेंगे, समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे कि अवैध रेत के उत्खनन और अवैध परिवहन में वो लिप्त न हो, क्योंकि इससे न केवल वो स्वयं दिक्कत में आएंगे बल्कि दूसरों की जिंदगी भी संकट में आती है। तो ये जन जागृति लाने का हम आगामी दिनों में पुरजोर प्रयास करेंगे और इसमें मीडिया के माध्यम से भी हम कोशिश करेंगे कि जनता तक ये बात पहुंचे कि वो अवैध काम में अपने आप को किसी प्रकार के प्रलोभन में न डालें।